In this video, we will see the consequences of extending the pipes of an air conditioning unit without taking the proper measures. 1. If it is necessary to extend the original pipes of the air conditioner, it is important to remember that each manufacturer specifies the maximum allowable length for the pipes, which varies according to the model and capacity of the equipment. 2. If the original manufacturer's information is not available, the following general recommendations can be followed. A. For a 9,000 BTU per hour unit, the maximum length between the indoor and outdoor unit is 6 meters. B. For a 12,000 BTU per hour unit, the maximum length between the indoor and outdoor unit is 7 meters. C. For an 18,000 BTU per hour unit, the maximum length between the indoor and outdoor unit is 10 meters. D. For a 24,000 BTU per hour unit, the maximum length between the indoor and outdoor unit is 15 meters. 3. Additionally, when handling longer lengths, avoid sharp bends or twists that could obstruct the refrigerant flow or cause unnecessary pressure drops. Bend the pipes carefully to maintain efficient operation. 4. If the diameter of the thicker pipe is mistakenly reduced when extending it, the pressure drop of the refrigerant gas exiting the indoor unit to the compressor increases, leading to higher electrical consumption due to the variation in the system's compression ratio. 5. Similarly, if the diameter of the thinner pipe is reduced when extending it, the pressure drop of the refrigerant from the capillary to the indoor unit increases, which increases the generation of flash vapor and reduces the cooling capacity of the equipment. 6. If it is necessary to extend the pipes, and they are arranged vertically, remember to create oil traps to aid the return of oil to the compressor. Check the equipment manufacturer's recommendation. 7. Ensure that the entire length of the air conditioning pipe is properly insulated with high-quality material. 8. Make sure to securely fix the new pipeline and all parts of the equipment to avoid unnecessary vibrations or movements in the pipes that could cause damage or generate leaks. 9. Remember that extending the original pipes increases the size of the system, which is why many manufacturers specify the additional amount of refrigerant that should be added to the equipment. 10. If the manufacturer's recommendations are not available for knowing how much additional refrigerant should be added, we are showing a table on the screen that can serve as a guide. Let's see an example of its use. For a 12,000 BTU per hour unit that uses our 410A refrigerant gas and has an original pipe length of 4 meters and requires a length of 6.5 meters, subtract the required pipe length from the original pipe length. This gives a value of 2.5 meters. Now, let's do these 3 steps. Step A. For the liquid pipe, smaller diameter, with a diameter of 1/4 inch, add 18.6 grams for each additional meter. So, 18.6 multiplied by 2.5 equals 46.5 grams. Step B. For the vapor pipe, larger diameter, with a diameter of 3/8 of an inch, 2.23 multiplied by 2.5 equals 5.575 grams. Step C. Adding both values, an additional 52.075 grams of our 410A should be added to the equipment.